Dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to check the reduced syllabus of science. That is, we'll try to check the skipped units and the topics and also chapters which are completely retained, which is very important from the examination point of view, and also passing packages, notes, important questions and worksheets and application questions based on this reduced syllabus will be updated or notified in my channel. So do subscribe the channel so that all the important passing package notes everything will be discussed here. Now the first unit, chemical reactions and equation, the complete chapter is skipped. That means no need to study this chapter for the examination point of view. Chemical reactions and equation, the chapter is deleted. Acids, bases and salts, the skipped or deleted unit is more about salt, that is page number 28 to 33 of part 1 science book. That is, the skipped topics are family of salts, pH of salts, chemical from common salt, water of crystallization and plaster of Paris. These are the topics which have been skipped or deleted from this unit, which is no need to study. Now take your textbooks and just mark down the deleted portions so that it should not be confused for the exam. So I am marking the deleted portions so that it should not be a confusion during studying for exam. So up to this, the topics have been deleted. Unit metals and non-metals, complete unit is retained. You need to study the complete chapter for the examination. Then the unit carbon and its compounds, the deleted or skipped topics are important carbon compound ethanol and ethanoic acid, that is properties of ethanol, reactions of ethanol, properties of ethanoic acid and reactions of ethanoic acid. These are the topics which have been deleted for the exam. Now take your textbook and mark it the deleted portion. That is part 2, page number 15 to 18. Up to reactions of ethanoic acid. Periodic classification of elements, no changes, complete unit is retained. That means you need to study complete chapter for the exam. Next, life process. The deleted topics are what is life process, then nutrition and respiration. What are life process? Take your textbook and make a note. The deleted portions are water life process, then nutrition and respiration in amoeba and human beings. In nutrition, the skipped topics are autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition and nutrition in human beings and amoeba. Then entire respiration topic is skipped. So this has been already studied in class 8 so that it is not there for the examination point of view. From the life process, the skipped topics are the introduction, that is what are life processes, then the life process, nutrition and respiration has been completely deleted. These topics no need to study for the examination point of view. From the transportation, You will be studying completely for the examination. The deleted portions are nutrition and respiration and introduction. Completely it is skipped for the examination point of view. Next, control and coordination, no changes, complete unit is retained. That means you need to study the complete chapter for the examination. Next, the unit, how do organisms reproduce? The skipped topics are, do organisms create exact copies of themselves, modes of reproduction used by single organism, that is importance of variation, fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative propagation and spore formation. Enter this topics has been skipped for the examination, so that for this year's examination no need to study these topics, that is modes of reproduction used by single organism. This entire topic has been deleted for this year's examination. Other than that, all the other topics will be remain same. Now heredity and evolution, no changes, complete unit is retained. Complete unit should be studied for the examination. Next, light reflection and refraction, reflection of light and spherical mirror, that is from page number 70 to 80 of part 2 has been completely deleted. That is image formation by spherical mirrors, and that is concave and convex mirror uses mirror formula, and magnification has been skipped for only spherical mirrors. But to understand the further topics, you need to study these basic concepts, that is the image formation by but from the examination point of view it is skipped. To understand the next topics, you need to study these topics. Then the important topic which is deleted but which has to be studied for future topics is the sign convection for reflection by spherical mirrors, which is very important topics which has to be studied for understanding basis, but it is skipped for the examination. Do try to understand and study this topic. Mirror formula and magnification also deleted for spherical mirrors. Now the next chapter, the human eye and the colorful world, the entire chapter is deleted, no need to study for the examination. Then the electricity, no changes, complete chapter is retained. Next, the magnetic effect of electric current, no changes, complete unit is retained, you have to study the complete chapter. Next, sources of energy, the topic fossil fuels and alternate or non-conventional sources of energy, that is from page number 111 to 12 and 115 to 19. These topics has been deleted from the part 2 science book, that is solar energy, tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy and nuclear energy has been deleted. Next, the unit our environment, ecosystem, what are its components, food chains and webs has been deleted topics, but the 10% flow of energy is very important concept. You need to study for the examination, that is the page number from 136 to 138. It has been deleted. The continuation of this topic is very important, so do try to read for the exam. Next, sustainable management of natural resources, the topics coal and petrol. An overview of natural resource management has been deleted topics. What are the skipped topics are there? Do try to learn these topics by yourself or under the guidance of teacher, so that for future studies it will be very helpful for your knowledge also. Students, hopefully you have enjoyed this video and gearing up for the examination. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe, and also Do subscribe the channel so that all the important questions, passing packages, unit wise application questions and notes will be discussed in this channel. So students and teachers, if you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel. Once again, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully, you can make use of the time and study well for the examination that is from June first week. Best wishes and best luck for the exam.